right, today I am going to change the air filter in my Tesla Model Y. Now this air filter that this company sent me is actually kind of like a combo pack. It came with this cool little thing here, which I can put up over this interior camera. So it actually, you can move open and closed. So that's kind of cool because it does actually creep me out a little bit that that camera, I don't know, maybe some of you like tap into it and watch me while I'm driving. I have no idea they can do that on laptops. So why can't they do it on Teslas? I don't know. So I'm going to put that in there. Or on there. This is a tool that I'm going to need to take apart this floorboard area, the side panel, to get to the air filter. Once I get the air filter out, this actually came with it as well. And I'm going to kind of blow out the area with the air compressor that I have. So I don't know if that's what this is for, but that's what I'm going to use it for. And then these are the air filters. There's actually 2 air filters that will go in there, but I'll show that to you, and I'll try not to bore you so much with actually getting the whole panel area out. But I'll show you how it's done. I have to get this out of the way, so I'm going to do that. Oh, it's so dirty. Alright, and then this is actually additional side panel that a company sent me that I'm going to take off the carpet. That's actually pretty cool. I like this thing a lot. Offers a nice look, and then all the dog hair doesn't stick to the carpet. But this is what needs to come out, okay? And to get to it, the air filter is back there. But I also have to take this panel off and unconnect the light, and I think it's actually the speaker. So let me do that. Okay, so here's the little pegs that I took out right here. You actually have to pop this part out of here with that little tool. Pops right out, and then this comes right out. So I took those off. There were like, well, I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 of them I had to undo, and this will come right off. Okay. Yep, just as I expected. Here are the little parts that I need to unhook. I'm sure I can't really see very well, but there's a little tab there. I know you gotta push down and then pull. Okay, so that's the light. And then here's the little speaker. Just trying to be gentle with it, you know. Can't see this very well on the wire. It's not very long. That was actually a battle to get that off. Where I told you if I kept pulling on it, I was gonna break it. Well, it was this one right here. And sure enough, I actually broke it. So it goes here. This makes me mad. See, it actually broke here. I don't know. I don't know how necessary that one is. There's like, look, there's tons of others. It's probably really not going to make a big difference, but it's super annoying. So I will. I don't know. I don't know. I'll get back to this. Figure out what I'm gonna do. But that needs to go back on there. All right. Anyways. I need to get the proper tool. It actually came with the kit, and this is where I need to get into here, and the filters are going to be in there, or actually maybe it's back here. I don't know exactly. I'm figuring it out as I go. Alright, so this is the bolt, or whatever screw I need to actually take out to get to it. Alright, and then these here, it's actually air already blowing. I need to pull to get it out. Now I've had this car for 10 months. We'll see what it looks like. It's just slightly dirty, hardly at all. Now Tesla recommends you replace these every 2 years. See, it's this side. I don't know, there's like some little moth in there. But this is actually pretty darn clean. I probably don't need to change this. But it's a nice company, send it to me. So So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So that's how they went in. I'll remember that. Like this. Get the other two, unwrap them. Now here's the new one, and it's actually pretty different. As you can see, I'm not sure what those are, but that's probably to absorb any stank, any smell. And then this side looks similar to the other ones that came with Tesla. So that's interesting. Anyways, I'm going to put those in there one by one. And then put it all back together. Very simple. Alright, so here's the part that was broken. I was just able to put that back on, kind of pinched it back together. It's really going to be fine, but it does irk me that I broke it, but whatever. So put this back on now. Make sure it gets in all those different spots. I'm doing that one down there first. There we go. Everything lines back up pretty easily. Ta-da! And then this has got to go back, and I actually got that wire off. Uh-oh. There it is. When I turn the camera off for a minute there, I just needed to tug on it a little more. But I didn't break that, thank God. If I can't rock out in my Tesla, that'd be a problem. And then this is the light. Where did that go? Right here. Okay. Make sure those wires get tucked back up in there. And it actually goes back in quite easy. Kind of snaps back in too. And then I'll put those little plastic pieces in. As long as I didn't lose any, it would be like me to lose some. Oh, look at that. I got them all. So this big one goes in first. And then you just put this little one here in second. It will secure it, okay? And they all just go back in there. Now you don't have to take them all the way out, actually. They can just kind of sit like this. It's kind of easier to do it that way too. I didn't have to take them out completely, but most of them came out that way. And where's the last one? I'll just show you up close what it looks like. You use this thing to kind of tap there, and then you can pull the whole thing off. Alright, so here is the camera that I want to cover with the little piece that they gave me. So it just has a sticker on the back. I take the sticker off. Oh wait, what do I do now? And then I align the open area to the camera. It's like I need an extra hand. There, just like that. So now it's open, right? But press it on there, good. This here can close it. Now, no one, not Tesla, not Elon Musk, not some creep can see in my car. Love it.